In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Figma to JPG, PNG, SVG, and PDF. Whether you're a budding designer or just need to share your incredible Figma creations in different formats, I've got you covered. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool, by simply opening your web browser and typing figma.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the login option. Click on that and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, the next thing you'll do is head to your Figma home. Simply find and click on the home button. It's the hub where you can access all your designs, ones you've shared or have been shared with you. Now navigate to the design that you'd like to export. Typically you'll find it in the drafts section of your account, but wherever it is, click on it to open. With your design open in the editor, you'll notice the Figma interface gives you an array of tools and options. Look for the design button, which is where we'll start this exporting process. Once you've clicked on design, the next step is to locate and click on export. This button may be at the bottom right of your Figma screen or under the right panel where your design tools reside. Very handy when you need to export certain elements or the whole design. Clicking this will bring up an export menu. Now this is where you can fine-tune how you want to export your design, and it all begins by clicking on Add Export Settings. By doing so, you open yourself to a world of options. From there, choose the format you'd like to export your file in. Figma gives you several format choices: JPG for images with compression, PNG for high quality images without compression, SVG for vector graphics that are scalable without losing resolution, and PDF for a file that's easy to share and print. Choosing the right format depends on your intended use. For instance, if you need a high resolution image with a transparent background, PNG would work perfectly. On the other hand, if scalability is your top concern, especially for illustrations and icons, go with SVG. And if your primary goal is document portability or preparing for print, PDF is your go-to. And there you have it. Once you've selected your desired format, just hit the export button and Figma will save the file to your computer. It's incredibly straightforward. Exporting from Figma is designed to be user-friendly, so with these steps you can effortlessly share your designs across various platforms. Happy designing!